7-minute morning ritual to attract wealth rapidly. Top secret CA wealth attraction experiment reveals you can activate your billionaire brainwave by making one tiny change to your morning routine. What's the billionaire brainwave? It's responsible for attracting wealth into your life rapidly, as revealed in this leaked document based on CR research. But for 99% of us, our billionaire brainwave is inactive. It's due to a tiny region in our brain that's over 250 million years old and dormant for almost everyone. But a secret CA experiment funded by elite billionaires revealed a stunning breakthrough. A breakthrough that proves you can, in fact, activate this billionaire brainwave with a simple 7-second at-home ritual. You can learn more about this shocking breakthrough thanks to the brave actions of a rogue neuroscientist who is waging war against the greediest corporation on Earth. So don't delay. The private investors who funded this CIA wealth attraction experiment are not happy about this secret being leaked. So go check it out before their hackers crash the site again. You may never have this opportunity again.